Kangaroos are nature's representatives in the heavyweight boxing division. Their bouts combine headlocks, forepaw jabs, and their own form of kickboxing. Balancing on their tails, they deliver powerful blows to the belly, which is protected by an extra thick layer of skin. Weighing up to 80 kilograms and standing 2 meters tall, they are formidable opponents. From the deserts of Australia, their reputation as pugilists spread throughout the world. In pre-war Berlin, they were challenged in the ring and proved their superiority.